Cherry Flash is Malco's flagship liquid paste wax. This easy-to-use product delivers a deep, long-lasting gloss to your vehicle's paint. Cherry Flash is ideal for dealership lot maintenance and the weekend detailer looking for simple and effective protection and shine. Available in 32-ounce, 64-ounce, and gallon sizes, Cherry Flash can be applied a few different ways. On a clean car in the shade, use the traditional applicator pad method. You can spray on using a trigger sprayer and work it in. You can also use an orbital polisher and foam pad. No matter your preference, let the product dry to a haze and polish off with a clean, soft cloth. One major benefit of Cherry Flash is the entire vehicle may be treated before wiping off, with no risk of over-drying or overworking the removal. This non-dusting formula allows for easy cleanup, and the natural Carnauba and DuPont Zonal provide lasting gloss and protection for any car, truck, boat, or motorcycle.